How to order from Cnfans. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can order from Cnfans. So if you didn't know what Cnfan is, so basically Cnfans is an agent website that allows you to place orders on any of the products from China, from numerous Chinese websites while you are sitting in any country of the world. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you 3 steps. First is how you can register to Cnfans, other is how you can place an order on Cnfans, and third is how you can ship your order on Cnfans. So let's get started. First of all, you'll have to open any of the web browser whichever you have on your PC and go to the search bar and search for Cnfans register. Then click on this website, that is register Cnfans. Make sure that the website is legit, and once you click on it you'll be redirected to the register interface, and now you have to create your account. Write down the email address and after that write down the password and then just click on register. Once you click on register, a pop-up will be displayed that please activate your Cnfans account with a link sent to your email box. So click on continue and open your email box and you'll be able to see this email over here. So just click on this and verify your account. Here just click on click here and your account will be verified. So once your account is verified, you can either go to the Cnfans login page and log in to your Cnfans account with the same email and password that you used to register. After that, you can open a new tab and search for Cnfans spreadsheet. And once you've opened the spreadsheet of the Cnfans, you can just click on any of these links. So here you can see numerous items that you can order. So you can either order shoes or t-shirts or jackets. You can just click on that and you'll be able to see numerous items which you can order. And the other option is that you can just go back and search for Cnfans Reddit. So search for Cnfans Reddit and press enter and you'll be redirected to their Reddit community, and here you can see various posts of various outfits and stuff which you can order from. So you can just select any of these, and there's also another way that you can open a new tab and select the shirt whichever you wish to buy on Google and just copy or download the picture on your computer and then go back to the Cnfans and you'll be able to see this image icon over here. So just click on that and from the download select that and press enter, and then you'll be able to see 2 vendors that offer such shirts, so either Taobao or 1688. So you can just select any of the shirts from these, or you can go back and select that 1688 and wait for it to load and select any of the shirt whichever you like in order to place the order. So now you can see that this is the same shirt which I selected. So if I wish to place the order on this, you can just click on it and you can select the size or color. You can select numerous colors whichever they offer and select the size and then quantity, and then you can even leave a message for them and then click on check agree and add to cart. It's important for you to select the size, so I'm just going to select one of it. I need to select medium, so I'm just going to click on medium and then click on add to cart. After that you can click on this cart icon at the top right and you'll be able to see the items that you have put on your cart, and then just click on view cart and you'll be redirected over here. Now you can see I've ordered 2 items, so then you can see that this is the price in total, so just click on submit, and after that they'll give you a disclaimer and then click on confirm, and after that you need to verify that which is your delivery type or country of destination. So just click on proceed to check out. Make sure that the checkbox is checked, so just click on it that you agree with the terms and condition and then click on checkout. Once you've clicked on checkout, you'll be redirected to this interface and you have to write down that which country you belong to and write down your payment method. You can use any of the payment methods like payment, global coverage and multiple currencies, pay as long as you have Visa, MasterCard and other such like that, and after that you can just click on pay for order. So after you click on that, your order would be in process. Next, click on your account and click on my account, and now here just select the wallet And after selecting on wallet, you can select on top up, and here write down the amount. You'll have to write the amount in yen, and then this website will convert that into dollars. So for example, I've written 100 yen, so that is $16.11. So then just click on top up and your account will be top up. So now you have to write down the card holder name, card number, expiration, and CVC or CVV, and then click on pay for order. So you need to top up, of course. If you wish to see the list of your orders, you can go to my account and then click on this order over here, and after that you'll be able to see what you have ordered. Now you can see that it's written payment pending because I haven't set any payment method right now, but if you do set it, so it will be written order placed or any other process which is happening with your order right now. After that you can click on addresses to write down the shipping address, so just click on edit, and after clicking on edit you need to write down the details like your first name, last name, your country or region, and then your exact address of your house number, city, state, zip code, phone, email address, and then click on save address. And then you can just click on this address because this is the address where the order would be shipped to. Once done, you can click on warehouse over here and you can select many orders to be shipped at once, because that saves your shipping amount, because if you need to ship on every item separately, then obviously that will be a greater amount for you. But if you ship all of the items together, then you just have to pay for one shipment, and you can even customize your coverage and other stuff according to whichever you like. So you'll be able to see that once your order is confirmed and your payment is verified. And then so that was pretty simple, and using Cnfans is very easy. If you've stick to this tutorial till the end, you'll be able to know how to register to Cnfans, how to log in, how to place an order, and how to ship your order. So that was how you can place an order on Cnfans. If you like this tutorial, just give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.